Today, aging is one of the key challenges for all people around the globe. Living among the hustle and bustle of the city often leads to chronic stress and health problems. Psychologists say that anxiety, stress, and fatigue in people who live in cities go off the scale. It's even harder for younger people to keep up with a fast-paced life and withstand high competition in our society. Chronic stress often causes headaches and high blood pressure, as well as affects hormonal levels and the immune system, thereby imposing a serious risk of accelerated biological aging. In addition, research shows that only 20% of age-related changes are caused by genes, while most problems derive from habits, lifestyle, and environment. Poor ecological situation, unbalanced diet, and sedentary lifestyle automatically make us prone to cancer, Alzheimer's disease, cardiovascular issues, and lots of other health problems that are common nowadays. Diseases are getting younger as we are getting old. Today, scientists attempt to redefine the anti-aging approaches and prevent aging rather than simply eliminate its effects. Since the key idea behind modern anti-aging efforts is that beauty and youth directly depend upon our health and physical condition in general, people around the world are interested in maintaining their health and active longevity more than ever before, and scientists work hard to come up with comprehensive anti-aging solutions. Today, people pay more and more attention to preventing various diseases. Humanity has greatly improved healthcare and sanitation. The World Health Organization, UNICEF, and other institutions implement healthcare programs and various initiatives for healthy development of adults and children around the world. Other organizations, such as Greenpeace or the World Wildlife Fund, strive to preserve nature and the environment, as well as reduce global climate change, which is also important for healthcare. Russian research in preventing premature aging and extending active life is one of the most advanced in the world. Today, significant extension of life can already be achieved technically, like space flights, after Konstantin Tsiolkovsky's works. Innovative developments of peptides, the leader in anti-aging technologies, and peptide and non-peptide bioregulation greatly contribute to this process. The company offers a wide range of unique products with a global impact on the development of the anti-aging and preventative medicine market. These are unique multifunctional assets that allow you to start the rejuvenation process at all body levels. The core mission of peptides is to promote active longevity and healthy lifestyle, making dozens of millions of people more educated and aware of healthcare policies. For this purpose, the public organization League of the National Health launches free public reception offices of the St. Petersburg Institute of Bioregulation and Gerontology and peptides across Russia, as well as educational programs developed in collaboration with the Institute for Advanced Studies, FMBA. Scientific studies of peptides significantly contribute to the development of anti-aging techniques in Russia and abroad. We regularly participate in the events of the International Association of Gerontology and Geriatrics and present the latest anti-aging medicine developments to the scientific community. Our growth pace is impressive. More than 1.5 million people around the globe have already joined our healthcare and active longevity initiatives, and our community growth persists. Healthy people are really powerful. They are always successful, smart, and confident in their abilities and their future. Peptides integrates anti-aging technologies into the lifestyle of millions of people, making them happy and healthy for years to come.